So I bought the steamer for one thing, and somehow I just keep finding more uses for it. I wanted a way to clean my baseboards, and it does a great job at that. It comes with a long extension rod, which I use way more than I expected. You will need to use gloves or just don't touch that rod. It gets really, really hot. I also love that there's a really long hose and the tank is separate. So the kitchen cabinets have always been just a chore I avoided. I would use a toothbrush, a Q-tip, a toothpick to get into the little crevices. I'm able to use the steam to just blow those corners out, and it just makes it so much easier to just wipe the cabinets off when you're done, and it melts the grime and the food and whatever else lands on your cabinets. It makes it so much easier to just get your cabinets cleaned up and refreshed with much, much less effort. My trash can, it's always grimy, and I usually have to take it outside and just use the hose on it. It melted away all of the grime on the trash can. I tried it out on this little area where the lid hinges, which always traps food, and it just blew the pieces right out of there, and then it just cleaned all that up. I didn't even have to wipe this down when I was done. One other use I found for this was to clean my refrigerator. I was able to get the bottom shelf here really well, and I always have trouble getting the hinge area cleaned. It just traps a lot of dust, and I just couldn't figure out a way to actually get in there real well. This just blows the dirt right out of there and cleans it right up, and no wiping.